Ultrasonic transducer replacement. Ultrasonic transducer converts high-frequency electrical energy into high-frequency mechanical vibrations. It is the core part of an ultrasonic equipment. The quality of transducer directly affects machine working efficiency. This is Branson402 replacement with very good working performance, mainly used for Branson8400 series devices. 20 kHz frequency for pieces of high-quality ceramic rings with low impedance, working on stable output. Good quality ultrasonic devices, better working effect during procedure, best sales service. Perfect equipment would speak for itself. Welcome to contact us for more details if you are interested.